Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to recreate this look. The eyeshadows are from Lorac Mega Pro 3 and Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. This is something new for me because pink is not really my color, but I like the way that it turned out. So if you want to see how I created this look, tune in and keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Alright, first we're going to start by priming the eyes. And I'm going to use the Stay Don't Stray primer in light medium by Benefit. After I dust off my mirror. After I dust off my mirror. Ooh. I need to shave that. Oh, what help if I zoom in, huh? Next, I'm going to set my eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Doesn't have a name, but I'm using Morphe. And I'm gonna start off with, I have two palettes in my hand. Lorac Mega Pro 3. Sorry, you couldn't see the top. Mega Pro 3, excuse me. I love the packaging, but I don't love the fact that like it looks a mess from all the makeup and stuff. And this is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. So I'm gonna create something with these two. But first I'm gonna go in with chocolate truffle. No, it's cocoa truffle, not chocolate truffle. And that's right here. That's in the Lorac. Lorac. Excuse me. I'm going to use a Lamora brush. I think I got this in one of my Ipsy bags. And I'm going to use this to pack the eggplant into my outer crease. And around. Oh, here goes my favorite brush. My favorite outer V brush. By Morphe. It's like a nook brush. It just gets right up in a nook. Like I need it to. So for my lid color, I'm thinking this is gonna be a new one for me. I don't like pink. I never have liked, excuse me, pink, but this pink in this Too Faced palette is gorgeous. So this color right here, that's gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is, oops, oh man. All right, find me a concealer brush, detailer brush. We're gonna use it as a concealer brush today. And I'm gonna go on my Boing by Benefit. And we are going to cut out this lid space and prepare it for some glitter. I'm going with it, guys. Next, the next contender is concealer. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in medium. set this with my Laura Mercier powder. And after that, I'm going to put my contour. Snatch that nose, honey. Snatch it. Snatch it up. Excuse me. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bronzer now. I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm using a IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush number 4. I can't find my Makeup Forever one. That's the one I usually use, but I can't find it. It's either my camera about to die or I'm running out of space. Okay. Let me see if I could whip on some blush real quick for you guys. I'm using Milani in Romantic Rose. Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop for my highlighter. And I'm just dump my face in it. Right now, I'm just kidding. Put that right on top. This is Stripped by Anastasia, Beverly Hills.